guys, welcome once more again to our channel. In this particular presentation, we are looking at the solution of GCE Advanced Level Pure Math with Statistics Paper 3 Question 3. GCE Advanced Level Pure Math Statistics Paper 3 Question 3. Guys, make sure that you subscribe to this channel to have the best, for the best is still to come for 2024. So welcome once more again to the channel. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe, leave your comments, share, and make sure that you make all your friends and all those who are interested in math or having issues to be able to have access to this channel and the materials we provide. This is the only way to motivate us to make more. The more subscribers we have, we assure you that the more content we are going to upload, not just for math, in physics, chemistry, biology, economics, history, geography, and so on. You can equally visit our website to have all of this information. Now let's take the third question for the day. So the third question reads, if you have not watched the previous two questions, just click on the links below. You will see questions 1 and 2. So question 3 reads, 3 sub 1. A certain vaccine is administered to a group of persons. It is observed that 0.1% of all the persons who take the vaccine suffer from a side effect. Using the Poisson distribution, find to 4 decimal places the probability that out of 1,000 persons who take the vaccine, A, no one will suffer from the side effect. B, exactly 2 persons will suffer from the side effect. C, more than 2 persons will suffer from the side effect. Let us tackle this first part of the question, which is 8 marks before looking at the next one. So in this question, what has been given? We have been given the observation that 0.1% of all those who take the vaccine will suffer a side effect. Okay, so let the probability of having the side effects be P. Now we have been told that in a sample of 1,000 persons, we talk about 1,000 persons now. So this is actually a binomial in which the parameters are n and p, where n is 1,000 and the probability is 0.01. But they don't want us to use the binomial for this problem. They want us to approximate this to the Poisson distribution. And what is one of the conditions to approximate the binomial to Poisson? If the sample size is more than 200, that's 200 or more approximately, then we can approximate the binomial to a Poisson. Now, you can see that the probability is also very low, as you can see, and the sample size is very large. So we can approximate the binomial to the Poisson with parameter lambda, where lambda is equal to NP. Okay, and this is going to give us 1,000 times 0.001. Note that 0.1% is 0.001. So our mean here is lambda, which is 1, and our standard deviation is variance equally that. So here, find the probability that none will suffer from the side effect. So this x follows a Poisson with parameter lambda. Okay, so the probability that none will suffer from the side effect is probability of x equals 0. So this will give us 1 to the power 0 on 0 factorial times e to the negative lambda, which is negative 1. And this will just be equal to 0.368. Okay, 0.368. But they said you should give an answer to 4 decimal places. So this answer that you have here is not correct because they said to 4 decimal places. Therefore, I must give my answer to 4 decimal places. I have given the answer like this because I want to emphasize on that. So you adjust your answer to be to what? 4 decimal places. The same thing with the B part. Now the B part, exactly 2 persons will suffer from the side effects. So exactly 2 just means probability of x equals 2. And that's going to give us 1 to the power 2 on 2 factorial e to the power negative 1. Note that lambda remains the same. And this is going to give us 0.735. Okay, and this answer is still not correct because they said to 4 decimal places. Some of the errors that you have during the exams, and we end up subtracting your marks. So please take note of these errors. We are not going to subtract anybody's mark this year, please. Now see, more than 2 persons will suffer from the side effects. So probability of x greater than, that's really greater than 2, just be 1 minus the probability of x less than or equal to 2. Because they say greater than 2 is going to be means x equals 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, up to 1,000. We cannot compute that. but we know the shortcut that if we know for the first, that is 0, 1, or 2, we can say 1 minus that probability. That's what we are using here. So 1 minus probability of x less than or equal to 2. So this just be equal to 1 minus probability of x equals 0 plus probability of x equals 1 plus probability of x equals 2. Okay, and then we can simplify this, or you can read this directly from your tables. In these tutorials, I'm not using the tables, I'm doing direct simplification, numerical analysis. Okay, so when you simplify this, you're going to have 1 to the power 0 on 0 factorial e to the negative 1 plus 1 to the power 1 on 1 factorial e to the negative 1 plus 1 to the power 2 on 2 factorial e to the negative what? E to the negative 1. Please take note, here is supposed to be negative 1, not negative 2. Okay, so at the end, we are going to have 1 minus 0.9196. So final answer will be 0.0800, because they said 4 decimal places. So if you did everything correctly here, you have scored 8 straight, clean, and clear points. I know most of you are watching this video, and at the end you will still not subscribe. Please guys, please and please, we are begging you on our knees, subscribe to this channel, because the more subscribers we have, the more content we are going to create. A lot of time has been put in creating this video, and if you cannot equally support us on the other hand, then there may be no need for us to be creating more videos. And that's why you've seen that for the past time we have not really been there, because you're looking at the number of subscribers we have, and it's been discouraging. Please make sure that you hit on that subscribe button, and also click on notifications. If you equally love this channel, why not share the video on WhatsApp, Facebook, and all other channels? Please, as you watch this video, do this. It's going to motivate us. That's the only way you're going to pay us. If you need the complete solutions from 2015 to date, please click on the WhatsApp number below this video or on the link, so that we can send it to you, and you send whatever payment or token you have to send. If you need just the PDF, the solutions, and whatever, contact us and let's talk. You can equally follow our live classes, live revision classes with 2024 online on Saturdays and Sundays on YouTube. Now, question sub 2 reads, out of 1,000 customers that visit the telephone booth, 60 buy credit cards. Given that the number of customers buying a credit card follows a binomial distribution, find the probability that in a randomly selected sample of 10 customers, exactly 3 buy credit cards, more than 7 buy credit cards. So this one is very clear that it's a binomial in which the probability of buying a credit card is given as 0.06, right? Because they said out of 1,000, 60 buy. So 60 over 1,000 should be 6 over 100, which is 0.06. Now in a randomly selected sample of 10, now we know the number of customers. So this follows a binomial with parameters 10 and 0.06. So find the probability that exactly 3 buy credit cards. So the probability will be given by a probability of x equals 3 will be equal to, we have a 10 combination 3, 0.06 to the power 3, and 0.94, that's 1 minus 0.06 to the power 7, because the sum of these two numbers must give us 10. So this is going to give us, when you simplify, 0.0168, or you could equally use your tables. Now the B part says, the E part rather, probability that more than 7, that's probability either 8 or 9 or 10, right? Probability of greater than 7 means either 8 or 9 or 10 by the credit cards. So you're going to look for the probability that of x equals 8 plus probability of x equals 9 plus probability of x equals 10. So this gives us 10 combination 8, 0.06 to the power 8, 0.94 to the power 2, plus 10 combination 9, 0.06 to the power 9, 0.94 to the power 1, plus 10 combination 10, 0.06 to the power 10, that's just all, because 0.94 to the power 0 is the same, it's just 1. So when you simplify all of that, you see that the value will be approximately 0. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you have not subscribed again, we are still reminding you, please subscribe. Most of our videos cannot be watched, as some of you don't subscribe. That's why people always complain that we cannot see this video, you cannot see that one, because we have made some videos in such a way that if you are not subscribed, you cannot watch it. Please subscribe. If you need a copy of this paper, let us know. You can equally help us, or you can facilitate the work we are doing by giving a donation. Why not? Click on any of the numbers below or ask on how you can send a donation. Whatever, no matter how small the donation is going to help. It's going to help a lot out there. Even if it's half a dollar, $1, 500 francs, 1,000, 10,000. And if you have really enjoyed the work we are doing, please, you can always donate to support us. We really need the donations to create more content to help your brothers, sisters, and friends. Thank you so much. Welcome to the GCE panel. Our next question will be question 4. Thank you for watching. Ciao.